What is a conditional discharge? And am I eligible for conditional discharge on my drug offense? Hi, my name's Sam Tooker. I'm an attorney with the law office of David R. Price Jr. PA in Greenville, and I'd like to answer those questions for you. Conditional discharge is a statutory mechanism designed by our legislature to help folks with first-time drug offenses. And I say first-time drug offenses, you cannot have had a prior drug offense to be eligible for conditional discharge. In addition, the charge that you are eligible for conditional discharge on must be one of possession. Now, the drug itself is irrelevant. It can be methamphetamine, cocaine, crack cocaine, marijuana, controlled substances, whatever it is, so long as it is a possession level offense, you can enter into the conditional discharge program. What happens in the program is you go through and you're in essence on probation, and you're monitored by a probation agent for a period of time not less than 6 months. At the end of that time, if you've done what they've said and you've successfully completed the program, and you can't fail any drug tests, so it's important to stay clean. At the end of that time, then you'll pay a fee, your charge will be dismissed, and it will be expunged, which means it will be erased from your criminal history. And that's important because a lot of folks pick up drug offenses and the negative side effects, the secondhand effects of those offenses hurt them indefinitely. It hurts them in terms of whether or not they can get jobs, it hurts them in child custody cases. It can affect the rest of your life. Okay? Well, you're not eligible for the conditional discharge, but there's a big caveat to that, and that caveat is the solicitor, in their discretion, can reduce the charge to something that would be possession level and put you on the conditional discharge. What that means is if you're charged with possession with intent to distribute marijuana because you're found with 7 pounds of marijuana in the trunk of your car, where you would not be eligible for a conditional discharge originally, if the solicitor felt like it was appropriate in your case, they could put you into the program, and they would put you into the program on possession of marijuana or possession of controlled substance. What if you fail? If you fail your conditional discharge, then you've already entered a plea of guilt, you've been adjudicated guilty, and you'll be sentenced. So it's sort of a make or break, do or die situation. You get into your conditional discharge, you successfully complete it, you've got nothing on your record. If you fail, you've been convicted and you will be sentenced. So when you're trying to determine the appropriateness of entering into a conditional discharge, it would benefit you to talk to a criminal defense attorney. It benefits you to talk to somebody who can ferret out whether or not it makes sense in your case. Because you may have defenses available to you that might make the case impossible for the prosecutor to successfully prosecute. So understand that fact before you enter into a conditional discharge. If you have questions about the conditional discharge program, you're charged with something, and you'd like to see if you could get a conditional discharge from the prosecutor, then please call us. We would be more than happy to talk to you. You can reach us at 864-271-2636, or like I said before, go online, www.greenvillelegal.com. We'd like to help you, and we'd like to ensure that your rights are protected.